Hi guys, how are you? Now, last time we have discussed about the earning money method online. Now we learn another way that create restricted members only contents. Your most loyal readers are huge fans and may be writing to pay to read more of your work. You can create a members only area for them to share more in depth blogs, posts, downloads, videos, audios, contents, and more. Membership sites can be a big time investment since you must continuously create premium contents for your paying members, but they can be very lucrative because they are recurring revenue. You can easily create a membership site using a WordPress membership plugin. We recommended you are using MemberPress. It is the most beginners friendly and robust membership plugin for WordPress. We have a complete guide on making a WordPress membership website with step-by-step instructions to help you get started. Now, create a private forum. Another option for creating a paid membership site is to create private forums that users must pay to get access. Forums are a great way for your audience to get one of the advice from you. Other members of the community can also interact and help each other out. While moderating a forum can be a lot of work, a paid forum is a great way to earn recurring event revenue from your WordPress site. To get started, you will need to set up a forum on your site. Here are our recommended some post forum plugins for WordPress. Create a questions and answers community. Another way is to questions and answer communities like stake exchanges and Quora are huge. They help you build an online community that is driven, motivated, and highly engaged. Just like forums, you will have to spend some time building a sizable community. After that, you will be able to monetize user-generated contents on your website using advertisements, affiliations, ads, and other methods. Popular questions and answer websites are able to get direct advertisement and sponsorship deals from advertisers in their industries. This helps them negotiate a much higher rate and extra perks. Now create a directory website with WordPress. Another option for making money online with WordPress is to create a directory or listing website. You can then charge visitors to advertise their listings on your sites. Here are a few different directories ideas to get you started. Create a paid business directory. Web directories may make you think of the early days of the web before boards started indexing everything automatically, but they are not completely absolute. Generative web directories are no longer necessary, but local or niche directories can be extremely useful. Directories might gather review of local business, here's the business podcasts on a given topics, or listen the best products in a contained niche. You can easily create a web directory in WordPress following our tutorials. There are also plenty of directory plugins for WordPress. You can choose from many of which allows you to accept payments with subscription. Thank you.